Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false forward collision alerts occurring at intersections and outlines the likely reasons this behavior can appear based on commonly documented patterns in driver assistance systems. In some Tesla vehicles, forward collision alerts may activate unexpectedly when approaching or passing through intersections, even when no immediate hazard is present. Verified information indicates this behavior can vary by model year, autopilot hardware, camera configuration, and software version, and does not occur consistently across all vehicles. Documented factors may include camera-based perception challenges at intersections where cross-traffic stopped vehicles, roadside objects, pedestrians, or complex lane geometry are present. Sudden changes in vehicle paths, turning traffic, or vehicles slowing ahead can be interpreted conservatively by the system. Road markings, crosswalks, shadows, or reflective surfaces may also influence how closing speed and object position are calculated. Software tuning updates can further affect alert sensitivity, especially following changes intended to improve safety margins. These are considered potential contributing factors and may not apply to every vehicle. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions may include ensuring cameras are clean and unobstructed, maintaining awareness that alerts can be more sensitive in complex traffic environments, and allowing time for recalibration after software updates. Professional inspection may be appropriate if alerts occur repeatedly in normal intersection driving without clear triggers. General feedback trends from verified sources suggest that alert frequency can change with software revisions and driving environment, and may improve as systems adapt, though results vary by vehicle configuration. In conclusion, false forward collision alerts at intersections in Tesla vehicles are typically influenced by perception limits, environmental complexity, and software interpretation, and may not indicate a system fault in every case. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.